Here. How about a smile? No, that's an eat. Oh, shoot. Whoops. And then Dad'll come over here and wrap you up if I get you unwrapped.
Sweetie, you still got the hiccups.
I just don't know how to get rid of those hiccups. I just don't know. No, I just don't know. What do you think? Penny for your thoughts. I think it's getting better here.
Yeah.
What do you think, Roscoe? Let me talk to you some?
I think, Roscoe, you're being a good boy.
You want me to turn around so you can get a picture of it?
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah.
Okay, honey. You're just too cute. You're just too cute. I'm going to mess around and make you mad, probably. Let's see. We can't make you stand on your head. We can't scare you.